Muhammad's definitely thrown the gauntlet down for everybody else to go and catch him. Lovely prize money on offer for this 1 meter X Furniture Championship class. Will Heidi go and try and beat Muhammad? I think it's going to be very difficult, but he's a thoroughbred. He can run and jump. Good shot over the first 2 fences. Nicely done there. Now she'll look early, keep cantering. Break. She's going to do this turn back after 69. Swing around number 11. She goes a little bit wider than Muhammad did. No pulls. Good round, well done Heidi.